Hello guys, this is another deep unboxing episode. This is has to do with the speaker Spendor D7.2. So we have the speaker here for review. You see nice finish. The cabinet is absolutely astonishing. Very good design, very good finish. The wood of the cabinet, as you see, is very thick there. Inside there is a lot of material to absorb the sound, to cancel and to control the static waves. We see behind the drivers there is this structure in order to go against the vibrations and to reduce any of these. Here is the tweeter, but where's the tweeter? The tweeter is here. The tweeter is this one. There is a metallic surface in front with a lot of holes that works as a system with the tweeter. It's glued on it. You cannot remove it. So inside the tweeter has a dome with rings, as we can see through the holes. This is the mid-range. We have a face plug there. The cable is very thick. The mid-range is this one. You see how well it's made. So this speaker is very well, better than the previous one that we did the deep unboxing. Handmade. There is a serial number here, 336. Something means that it's written by hand. And this is a woofer, 70 inches as well, with this kind of cone, very heavy. The magnet is in the back side, the same structure, almost the same magnet as the mid-range. And here we have the voice coil and the former and the chassis, which is iron cast, I think. Yeah, very nice, very high quality chassis. Down there we have the crossover. we don't open it to find the crossover because this is the underneath of the speaker, and here we have a fluke of the terminals for the cables. And here is the model name, Spendor D7.2. So this is a fine speaker. Spendor has improved a lot here. The product is very well made, very well constructed.